What's good, YouTube? Today I will be going through how much money you can make if you do a full day of Instacart. We're gonna go through and see how much fuel we use, how many miles we drive, how much we can make, how many batches we do. And I'm gonna do a series of these. We're gonna do Uber Eats, all the other delivery services. We're gonna see which one is more profitable and which we can make more money with in a shorter amount of time. So like I said, today will be Instacart. I'll show you right here that we have the trip set to 0. I'll show you that at the end of the day. It is about 10:30. I've already accepted a batch and we're gonna head to the first batch to shop right now. Stay tuned. Completed 5 batches so far today. Started at about 10:30. It's about 4:50 right now, and we're at about $120 once this batch goes through. If you take a look here, it says about 96, but we're still pending on the last one. So going pretty good so far today with a minimum amount of batches. Keep watching to see how far we finish. Just finished the last delivery at 9:27, so was out almost 12 hours today. Well, a little shorter, started about 10:40. Was able to finish with 2:15 off of 9 batches today. Almost about 10 hours, like I said, 10, 11 hours out, pretty much going all day. I want to check the odometer here. We did 140 miles to make 2:15. Another nice thing that isn't on here yet is I also made a $30 bonus, but that's about what you can get on a full day. Different days depending on the day. Today's a Monday. On a Saturday or different days might be busier and you get bigger batches, but that's what it usually is for Instacart. Low miles and able to make a lot of money. If you're interested in doing this yourself, I have the link to sign up in the bottom below, as well as I'm going to be going through Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates doing a full day as well and comparing mileage, gas used, and money made and time as well. So stay tuned.